Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Gmail account's password online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to change your Gmail account password on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address gmail.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the homepage or the account of your Gmail. But guys, if you have not yet logged in, you'll be required to log in. Because I have already signed into my Gmail account, I'm not required to log in again. In your case, first log into the account of which you want to change the password. With that being said, at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see your profile icon over here where it says the Google account. First click over there and you will be able to spot the manage your Google account settings over here. Click on that, and over here guys, you can see the security option available for us. Click on that security like this and scroll down. You can see guys, here is the thing. It says how you sign into Google, and over here guys, there is the password section. Click on that password section like this, and first you'll be required to enter your password of the account in order to verify it's you yourself. And let's ignore this. And let's go to this verifies. And over here guys, you can see there is a place to enter your new password and confirm your password. So let's enter our password guys, and let's confirm our new password. And after that, click on the change password guys over here. And guys, we have successfully changed our Gmail account's password. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.